Hello, everybody. I am the Chocolate, and God is the thunder. Because of that, I'll never go under. So I got my little hat from the Dollar Tree. Look at this. Where am I going with this mess? Yeah, I gotta roll it under, so I'm not gonna be looking foolish. I started to get one of those headbands that have like the lights on it, but I said, I said, I do not have any hair. That's gonna look so dumb. I started to get one, but I was like, nope. I was like, I'm not gonna be looking like a fool. No. Well, they have these Airheads. I'm not eating all of these. They have blue raspberry, the white mystery, watermelon, cherry. Well, I gotta tell y'all story time. Let me use this to tell y'all story time. And then they have citrus rush. All right, which one am I going to have? I think I want to have the citrus. I'm gonna have the white mystery. The white mystery. Ooh. The curse so lemony. I don't know why my face is sweating. God. Lord. I don't like that. I don't like no sweat on my face because that mess don't be looking right. I'm not gonna get myself sugar diabetes eating one of them. Let me tell y'all a story time about this. Hold on. So one day I was in a grocery store. Gone. I think this may have been like last year. And let me tell y'all what happened. I'm in a grocery store, minding my business. Let me finish eating this first. These Airheads be so hard to eat. Let's go though. It tastes like a pina colada. A pina colada. It just has that flavor. I got perfume on my shirt. Lord have mercy. On my cute pink shirt. Oh my. It's kind of dirty. It's not dirty. Cause I don't be wearing no dirty shirt. I'm so good. Feel like I'm sucking on a nail later. Okay. Let me tell y'all a story time. This one's kind of big. So I was in the grocery store. Minding my own business. Look at that. That glitter must be coming from this whole glitter hat. Minding my own business. And right on. I'm trying to find some pina colada one. God. The white mystery. That thing is mad. It's kind of big. Lord, it's thick. Alright, I'm gonna check. The guys could be having some good stuff. Alright, so I'm in the grocery store minding my own business. And this man, he sees me. I'm getting whatever I needed from the grocery store. So, every aisle I'm in, it's like he's in. I'm telling you, this was like I said, this was a while ago. So, all of a sudden, I'm in another aisle. Y'all, just like that man said on Waiting to Excel, you gotta watch who you be talking to in them grocery stores, honey. So, I'm in the aisle. The man comes up to me and goes, yeah, I know you. I'm looking at him like, no, you don't. No, you don't. Don't just try coming with that. Because you do not know me. You'll go telling that law. No, you don't. I'm going, you just look so familiar. He's talking his job. Okay. And he just comes out and say, I know you. Your name is Chevy. I was like, my name is not no Cherry. My name ain't never been Cherry. I'm like, I mean, but look at his eyes. I was like, my name is not Cherry. I'm like, no, it's Cherry. No, it's not. I don't know you. And my name is not Cherry. So he was trying to make conversation. I started talking in tongues. Shanda rabo shata. Yikondo rabo si hayana rabo shata. That man ran away from me so fast. Doggone right. Honey, I don't be out here playing with these lustful demons. I don't be playing with them. He had that look in his eyes, that lustful, demonic look like, yeah, your name is Chevy.